We settled the debate. Today it's over. Flats or drums? Let's find out. All right, so we're live out here at Barbecue Island in Gilbert, Arizona. We're doing the vendor day. What we're doing is we're cooking up a bunch of food. We got bacon wrapped chicken wings. We got Cajun chicken wings. We got Chipotle mango chicken. We got teriyaki salmon with our hot honey garlic rub. We're out here. All these people out here, we're selling rubs. You can see we're pretty busy right over here. So we're gonna have a good day today, baby. Drums or flats?
I'm gonna go with drums.
Drums, why drums?
Easy to hold.
Easy to hold, I like it, good, I like it. That's one for drums, baby, one for drums. Then we're over here live with Kofini. Kofini's, he's slaving away. What do we got? Green chili bacon, pulled pork, Chipotle mango ribs, we got Cajun wings, and some salmon coming soon. All right, so we out here with Phil the Grill. Vendor demo day. What are you doing? What do we got here?
Yo.
You see this setup?
No.
Can we get a little shot of this little setup here?
Yo, this is
Let's get a little shot of this setup we got here.
You know, he's from Waddell, Arizona. You know, he came up nice. You know, he came up in a farm area. You know, I'm urban, baby. You know, if I don't have something, I make it happen. You know what I mean? This is what the Jay-Z of barbecue does. You know what I mean? So, yo, here I go. I got my rub me all over, and then I got my new rub me all over.
Ooh, the new one.
The new one.
The new.
The new one.
All right.
So rub me all over is not just a one rub me all over. It had babies.
Oh,
so
it had babies.
It had babies. So now we got a triplet package.
Okay.
And layering flavors right now. Fruit
Is
fire.
that the motto? Is that the motto? Is that Phil the Grill motto? Layer flavors?
Layering flavors.
Why are you layering flavors?
Because you're never supposed to overpower just one flavor. You know what I mean?
Got you.
It's got to all just come at you one at a time.
Okay.
And you know, and the main ingredient is the protein you're cooking with.
Got you. All right.
You know what I mean? And then this is what I compete with. So if you want to win awards like Phil the Grill, you got to use my stuff.
Okay.
That's it.
All right.
That's the game.
All right. Drums or flats?
Flats for sure.
I'll say drums.
Drums, thank you. Team drums. Team drums, that's two, baby. Let's go. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.